Another motherboard unboxing video here. This time it's the A520M DS3H from Gigabyte. Similar to the one from MSI, this is also a lower tier micro ATX AM4 motherboard for those who don't need those extra bells and whistles from the B series and X series chipsets of AMD. This motherboard supports AMD CPUs starting from the 3000 series all the way up to the latest from the 5000 series. Opening the box, we see the provided SATA cables in a plastic bag. And underneath the carton separator, we see the rear I/O shield, a disc containing drivers probably, and a quick guide, I guess. So, for the motherboard, it does have 4 DIMM slots. Here's the 24-pin port for power, 4 SATA ports, 1 full-size 16x PCIe port, and here's the 8-pin port for power. For the rear I/O, we have 6 USB-A ports in total, 1 DisplayPort port, 1 HDMI port, and 1 DVI port, an RJ45 or LAN port, and 3 3.5mm ports for audio. And that is it for this quick unboxing video of the Gigabyte A520M DS3H motherboard. Click that like and subscribe button to show support to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again in my future videos.